Sometimes you could be lost and confused. That why all this happening with me? Why me? Why all crap things part of my life? It feels like a thick darkness everywhere, and the best thing you can do to yourself, move on. Move on when you're being beaten by the times. Move on when you are being the center of rat's opinion. Move on when you have been bullied. Move on above all your feelings and emotions. The only thing matters to you is you. Expectations are the worst specters of life, so never expect anything and just move on. You could find yourself true alone in the stampede of your own similar race. Move on. No one is here to take care of your wounds, panic, tiredness, falls, and failures. Your rough days would be the pillars of legacy which you have dreamed about. So move on. Move on when you are being cornered and isolated. Isolation makes you something symbolic special. A special creature like a tiger. Now you have become the tiger of your life. As you have been a cornered tiger, you have been cornered, isolated, and you have become the tiger of your life. Fierce, passionate, energetic, and a hungry warrior. Behave like a tiger. Move on.